Hi everybody, Stephanie Weeks here, loan officer, top 1% in the nation for many years running now. You have come to the right place if you're looking for anything mortgage education. Be sure to hit the bell to be notified when I post new videos. I would love and appreciate the subscribe. It would be amazing. And please be sure to leave me comments as well. I hope this video finds you well today. If you are interested in information on a VA home loan refinance, this is a video for you. So, VA, you have a cash out refinance, which is paying off anything besides just a VA current loan. So if you have a VA loan, you want to refinance that VA loan without pulling any cash out, without paying off any other loan type, that would be just a rate and term, or we call it an EARL actually. But if you're paying off a non-VA mortgage and you want to go ahead and refinance to VA, or if you are looking to pay off a non-VA mortgage or a VA mortgage and consolidate some debt, that would also be a cash out refinance as well. What a lot of people don't realize is cash out does not necessarily mean cash into your pocket at closing. It could just mean paying off a first mortgage and a second mortgage. So when we talk about rate and term or interest rate reduction, we're talking about just refinancing the existing mortgage with maybe rolling in closing costs and prepaids as needed. So with a VA home loan, which is one of my favorite, by the way, thank you so much for your service. If you qualify for a VA loan, thank you for your sacrifice and your service. I think they're one of the best loans available because they qualify for amazing interest rates, even without amazing credit. And for certain veterans, your funding fee exempt. So even the funding fee that they charge is sometimes waived for qualified veterans. When you are refinancing versus purchasing, if you're not funding fee exempt, it is 0.5% of your loan financed back in, or you could pay it in cash, which is very minimal compared to a lot of other loan programs. It's another bonus. Sometimes you can VA cash out to 100%. Don't have other loans that do that. There's pros and cons to that, of course. And with VA loans, you don't have any monthly mortgage insurance, and that's huge. That will allow you to buy more house, finance more house, and have lesser of a payment. So what we call an EARL, an IRRRL, is an interest rate reduction loan, and those are wonderful. Most of the time, you can do that without even getting an appraisal on your property. How fantastic is that? It's a great opportunity. So if you're interested in finding out if VA refinance is good for you, reach out to your trusted loan officer. And as always, you want to check and look at your current rate versus the new potential rate, what term you have currently and how many years you've paid into that term, the new potential term on the new potential loan, the cost of that new potential loan, your break even versus your savings. Make sure you're also analyzing that, and keeping an eye to make sure you're not financing in too many closing costs or being, charged more closing costs than need be. And also don't forget to consider how long you're going to live in the home, or how long you're going to have the property, how long you're going to or plan to pay on that mortgage. All of those things need to be reviewed and taken into consideration before you make a decision. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please hit the bell to be notified when I post new videos every Tuesday and Saturday. Please subscribe. I would love if you would share this video with your friend. If you are a veteran watching, again, thank you so much for your service. Thanks for tuning in.